let's hop straight into it. So on the channel, I've been talking about quitting my 9-to-5 job. This is something that I did in July of 2024. And you know, I've had people comment on some of these videos, and it seems like a common thing where people are, you know, saying that it's hard, and I've also seen people say that it's, you know, somewhat risky. I've also seen some people make some excuses, which I'm not big on excuses, right? That's just not the type of person I am. It's easy to make excuses, but yeah, I'm just not with it. Here's the thing, man. I would say staying at your 9-to-5 is more risky than actually quitting your 9-to-5. And I'm talking to a specific person. I'm talking about a person that is unfulfilled with their 9-to-5. They're unhappy, right? They're stressed. Maybe it's affecting their health. And you know, also people that they want out. They don't want to do that anymore. They want more in life. They want to, you know, do something different. Maybe they want to start a business. Maybe they want to just be self-employed, just doing things that they actually like and care about. Like, there's so many things that are risky in life. I mean, come on now. I'll give you an example. When I joined the military straight out of high school. That's risky, right? I knew that with the type of job I had, I was a corpsman, a medic, that I would get deployed. That's risky. I could have got shot. I could have died. You know, I was deployed twice, you know, and things happened, and it could have ended bad. You know what I mean? Here's another thing, like when it comes to eating, a lot of people eat bad and they risk their health. When it comes to, I don't know, saving money. Right? If you're not saving money, that's risky. You know, what if something happened? What if some crazy, unexpected expense comes up? So the point I'm trying to make with that, man, is everything is risky. So yeah, I'm kind of rambling, but I just think that's an excuse. It's an excuse, man. Everything is risky. But let me tell you what's even more riskier than those things, specifically when it comes to a 9-to-5. To me, it's very risky to continue to do something that it gives me no fulfillment. It gives me no purpose. And the ultimate thing, I'm unhappy, right? It was a time at my 9-to-5 job where I was very, very unhappy, and actually got to the point where I started to bring work home a lot and just complain and just rant to my wife because I was so unhappy with just the things that were going on. Management, it just seemed like they didn't care. And it really, really messed with me mentally. And it was just so draining to continue to have to go to work when I was feeling like that. You know what I mean? But of course, I did what I had to do because that's what you're supposed to do. Let me tell you what else is risky. Giving up so much of my time, especially for a job that could care less about me. It was obvious the job didn't care, right? And you know, yeah, working crazy shifts, just burnt out, overworked, even when it comes to not being able to go to specific events or, you know, even do things with my family just because of work. To me, that's risky because these are all things that are valuable to me and mean a lot to me. So continuing to stay at that job, you know, while not being able to do those things is a risk to me. Honestly, man, just the main things for me was just, you know, of continuing to stay there and to just choose to be miserable when I could take action and create a escape plan and get out of that situation. Because I truly believe that you can get out of any situation, right? It's all about your mindset and going out there and creating a plan, creating opportunities for yourself. And that's what I did. I started to not just sit back and wait and kind of just sulk in my misery and unhappiness, unfulfillment. I started to go after those things. Sorry, I don't know if that messed up the audio. But yeah, I started to go after those things. And that's how I got to where I am today. Because I just felt like it was more risky based on the values and the things that I wanted to stay at that job. You know, sometimes you have to shift your thinking and change your perspective on things. And that's not always easy. That's a challenge because it's just hard to get out of that kind of normal way that we think. And I think that we've been also conditioned since we were little to think a certain way. You know what I'm saying? But like, yeah, everything's a risk. I used to think that investing money into myself, into my side hustles at the time, was very risky, and I was very scared to do that. But you know, shifting that perspective and thinking on the opposite end, there's risk over there too. There's risk that I'm not going to make more money. There's risk that if I don't put back into this thing, I won't be able to quit my job. You see what I'm saying? So it's risk everywhere. It's risk on both sides. Yeah, I don't know why he just did that. People do weird things when you're recording. Like he just revved up his engine to mess up my video, I guess. But anyways, yeah, I'm gonna close this video out. Just wanted to share my 2 cents. I don't really think there's no right or wrong. You know, we all think differently and see things differently, but share your thoughts in the comments down below. What do you think? You agree? If you disagree, let me know why in the comments. But thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.